In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about ChatGPT Works voice feature, a new feature that is amazing and that you should be using. It can be used either in ChatGPT Work or in Codex very effective. In under 10 minutes, I'm going to break down for you how you can start using this today, and we'll get right into it. Welcome to the Latent Frontier. I'm Jess, and I'm going to show you some easy steps so that you can use this voice feature yourself. First, let me move my webcam so you can see the button down here in the bottom right, and it is this button with these lines. It's sort of a voice equalizer button. All you do is you click that to get started. Really, the sky's the limit. It's basically like having a little assistant here that can help you code, build, help you research, help you review, help you use the different agentic workflows that are now available through Codex and ChatGPT Work. I was wondering, what do you think of my Steward app? This is like a social scanner. I actually turned it into a dashboard recently using some of ChatGPT's Work's awesome features.
Let me take a look. I think it's genuinely strong. It already feels like a real command center, not just another chat wrapper. The dashboard approach with scouts, sources, notifications, and learning from feedback is super compelling. I'd say the next big unlock is just proving it catches consistently valuable signals, the kind you'd actually act on
Okay,
or be
great.
glad you saw.
1 second, ChatGPT. So let's actually spin up a new thread here in this same project where you give me some of your suggestions for where this project can go in the future and how I can actually improve upon it, not only for personal use, but perhaps if I want to allow other people to use it, whether it's as a paid app or some sort of subscription.
Yeah.
You actually make it so that you start that in another thread and we continue talking here about our own topics.
Sure, I'll set that up.
So this is the delegate aspect of working with ChatGPT Voice. As you can see now, it is starting a new thread here for us, like I asked it to. Develop steward product strategy. There you can see it working.
The steward strategy thread is spun up, so we can keep chatting here as normal.
Beautiful. Now, can you open up a browser, an in-app browser for me? Let's just actually scan the internet to see if there's anyone else with an app of some sort that resembles my app. A social scanner looking for local events near you.
Let me check that for you. Human verification page, so I'm leaving that alone and checking elsewhere. Browser still visible.
Yeah, I guess you don't want to click that I'm not a robot thing, right?
Let me check what's possible there.
I already clicked it for you. Don't worry about it.
Right, I won't touch those verification steps. I'm still scanning public sources, and I've already found a few close matches.
Oh, okay. So now you can see, you can use your voice essentially to control the browser. And ChatGPT is doing a great job here. They found a site called Wim.
I'm seeing WIM come up, plus Scouty, Orbit Social, Veal, and Locality.
Oh,
I left the verification to you. I've opened the three strongest in tabs. WIM mirrors your card idea. Scouty's proactive scanning is especially close, and Orbit shows the broader social product shape. That combo makes it feel more like an operator's console than a feed reader.
can you actually build another thread in this chat where you're going to create the concrete next steps in a how about you build it in a slide deck for me, and each slide is one of the steps and what you would visualize I need to do. Maybe you could use some images or visuals to help me kind of visualize how I'm going to change the app, and then consolidate all of it into a PDF as well, that really breaks down the whole roadmap and the specifications of how you would optimize this fully. So we just assigned it quite a workload there that it's going to actually spin up another thread here. There it is. It's going to start building a slide deck of how we can improve this application.
The new task Create Steward Product Roadmap deck is now building a slide deck and a detailed PDF with mockups, testing, positioning, TikTok strategy, monetization, and a 30-60-90 plan. We can keep talking here while that comes together. The roadmap's core shift is pretty clear. Optimize for trusted outcomes, not the size of the feed. Right now, fix the engine. It's pulling raw items but not producing real cards, and there's a source attribution bug to clear up. Then make each card explain itself. Why it matches.
So you could actually just use your phone to control all this and to continue talking to it like we've been doing, but you don't even need to be at your computer. So first and foremost, you need to go down here to your little profile avatar, and you're going to go to settings, connections. In connections, all you do is you go in there, click on connections. It's going to have a QR code, and you're going to have to click that scan that QR code with the phone you're going to be using. That will connect your phone to your PC where you're running Codex. Once you're in there, it's just about going into your phone, and on your phone, I'll show the right now on the screen for you. You can actually go into remote section in the top left of your ChatGPT phone app, right? So you open up the left sidebar, and right there you'll see it says remote. You go in there, you click on the project you want to work on. For me, I'm working in the scanner on the Develop Steward Product Strategy chat. I'll go in there and you'll be able to see I'm going to be able to control it directly from my phone. Hello there, can you actually give me a summarization of this roadmap? Because it looks kind of long. I just kind of want to know, how do you think we're going to do all these things? What are the important things for me to focus on? I notice you have a several month roadmap, requirements, personal use improvements, and so on. Could you kind of summarize it for me? So we should see it start popping up, the response in here. I can already see it on my phone, so there is a small delay between your phone and your computer, but it should pop right up. We'll come back in a second here. It is, I think, taking a moment on account of my VPNs. I have had some issues with connection with VPNs on my different devices, so you may have to disable them depending on what you're working on if you want to use the remote control feature. Okay, so now it should show up in this same chat here. I'm not seeing it on my desktop PC in the Develop Steward Product Strategy thread. Okay, so here it is. It showed up, as you can see here. We used the remote control from our phone. After connecting your phone through the QR code, you'll be able to basically be going around with your phone and tell it what to do here in your Codex app, which can continue running on your home PC. This has showed you all the different basic features for the new voice chat in ChatGPT Work and in ChatGPT Codex. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get to each and every one of those. I am Jess from the Latent Frontier, guys. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you on the flip side.